Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news bulletin. First, let's have a glimpse of the news through the headlines. PM Modi inaugurated and laid foundation stone of several development projects at Azamgarh, UP. Suspected IED blast rocks Harijan colony on late Saturday night. Police launches probe into the incident. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker inspects construction of the new assembly building at New Shillong Township. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma takes active participation in My City campaign, urges public to support the initiative. And India signs trade and economic partnership agreement with the European Free Trade Association. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of 782 development projects worth 34,700 crore rupees in Azamgarh today. The Prime Minister also participated in a public program on the second day of his two-day visit to Uttar Pradesh. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said his government has focused on the development of small cities. He also said that his government is working to make India a developed nation by 2047. Residents of nearby Harijan colony were rocked by a blast at City Bus Syndicate in Maulong Hut. The blast occurred inside a small abandoned tin structure around 10:30 p.m. on Saturday. Top brass of Shillong Police and bomb squad reached the spot and cordoned off the area. Preliminary investigation suggests the blast to be caused by IED, while damage was confined to only the tin structure and a few window panes nearby, Superintendent of Police of East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi said. Secretary of Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC Gurjit Singh said that one of the residents, identified as Lakhan Singh, was injured in the incident. On the other hand, Lakhan Singh, who had returned home after receiving medical attention following the blast, said he was running a quick errand to dispose of garbage when the blast got him off guard.
करीब 10:30 बजे बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ हुआ ना, मैं तो घर में था तब, तो इतना ज़्यादा पूरा बिल्डिंग हिल गया ना, तो तभी हम यहाँ पे हल्ला हो गया कि यहाँ पे ब्लास्ट हुआ है। हमने सोचा कि यहाँ पे ये बगल में ना ट्रांसफार्मर है, तो हमने सोचा शायद ट्रांसफार्मर से हो गया, तो बाद में पता चला कि यहाँ नहीं वहाँ पे हुआ, वो हमारा साइट है ना।
Preliminary inquiry and investigation suggest it to be an explosive lead blast, IED. Further investigation in progress, and as and when we get further information, we will update you. The most of the damages are confirmed to the tin structure, which was not in use, abandoned. And outside of the tin structure, some window panes have been damaged in this adjacent building. Further details we will update with you later.
The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma, recently inspected the progress and chaired a review meeting regarding the ongoing construction of the new assembly building at Maudiangdiang. Following the thorough inspection and review meeting, the Speaker expressed his satisfaction with the progress of the construction work. He emphasized the objective of completing the building within the current year, with an optimistic outlook towards holding a session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in the new assembly building within the same time frame. The Speaker shared that Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Sneaw Bhalang Dhar have also expressed their satisfaction with the progress of the construction work.
We want to complete this within this year, and hopefully we can also have a sitting of the assembly here at least within this year. So this is our target and this is our objective. I think as per the timelines, if the weather is kind to us, I think we will be able to complete within this year.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma took active participation in the My City campaign, which is an initiative of the government to encourage and engage communities to keep our localities clean. During the campaign, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma was seen sweeping the streets in Dhanketi along with other officials and NCC cadres. Through the program, the government will support communities and urge them to initiate regular cleaning drives. Financial assistance to development communities will be released under the program. The Congress Party also highlighted the 5 commitments which the party has vowed to implement if they form the government at the centre. Speaking to media persons, Party leader Manuel Baswar said that the party will come up with an insurance health scheme for marginalized classes like labourers, etc., as is being done in many Congress-ruled states. He also said that Congress will come up with legislation where a graduate in his very first job in the private sector would get a salary of Rs 8,500 per month, since many of the graduates and first-timers are underpaid. He also said that the party's focus will be on filling up huge vacancies which are lying pending in several departments.
They had come up with these insurance plans for them, whereby, a 2 lakh insurance plan. There are a few commitments in which the Congress party at the national level has come up with, saying that these are the commitments in which we are willing to go through, and we will ensure that if the Congress is in power, and if the Congress gets a chance to at least do a few things, there are 5 points in which they had given the commitment. And these are particularly very relevant for our society, I think especially for Meghalaya.
India has signed the Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement TEPA with the European Free Trade Association EFTA in New Delhi today. The deal was signed in the presence of Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal. Addressing the gathering, Goyal said that under this agreement, EFTA nations will invest $100 billion in India, creating many employment opportunities in different sectors. He added this TEPA brings optimism as it reflects a trusted and efficient partnership with accountability.
It's for the first time in the history of the world that we are in an free trade agreement with a binding commitment to invest $100 billion in India on the back of the solid foundation that has been laid in India with strong macroeconomic fundamentals, big opportunities for businesses from the pharma sector, from medical devices, so many sectors which can offer tremendous opportunity for our partners in this TEPA.
The Office of Rebhoy Deputy Commissioner, in collaboration with the Nongpor Town Committee, NHAI, Sinjuk Kiseng Samlashnong and local drivers on Saturday organized a cleaning drive under My City campaign at Nongpor to make Meghalaya clean and free from open defecation. It may be noted that Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma had recently declared that the state government will sanction special funds for every quarter for the cleanliness in all the districts and state as a whole. The cleaning drive was organized in the campus of Nongpor Town Shopping Complex and the Nongpor Market area. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy, Raja Brahma, and other officials also took active part in the event.
Nila along Nongpor Town Committee, the responsibility jongi bo koi snong jongi. Nagara ko city no, My City campaign do one, ni have le ba, tingi have koi juga lan le koi tabling la ngiro, no. Tingi lan le taman ni ba ka snong with the Nongpor Town Committee, bara pait ba belong badan business, badan dukan mo, bayai besar lang ni, ni bara lawan rangkat ni wan lang. Trade lang kunto lalang program kunne no yo minsim ng sarkar no minsim ng kawik sing nilan bo ng Nongpor Town Committee walang kokoy.
The Lumperdi Yangpia Upper Primary School, which was established in the year 2000, has started its one-year Silver Jubilee celebration, which will culminate next year. On this occasion, the District Mission Coordinator SSA, Mumubai Lakyang, graced the function as the chief guest. The highlight of the celebration was the felicitation of all founding members of the school. Speaking on the occasion, Mumubai Lakyang expressed happiness that the school has evolved as an institution that stands as a beacon of knowledge, nurturing young minds and shaping future leaders. The chief guest also distributed certificates to the respective winners of the drawing competition.
In the field of academic excellence, comparing the achievement in the last decade, there was an all-round development in different perspectives where one could notice and substantiate the performance of the school that it is at its best in academic excellence.
The District Legal Services Authority of West Jaintia Hills District hosted the National LoAdal for a day at the District and Sessions Court in Kletushi on Saturday. A large number of people attended the Adalat. In addition to telephone bill cases, the National LoAdal also addressed other important matters such as pre-litigation issues involving banks and criminal compoundable cases. In cricket, Delhi Capitals will face Royal Challengers Bangalore in Women's Premier League WPL at Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi today. The match will start at 7:30 in the evening. Yesterday, Mumbai Indians defeated Gujarat Giants by 7 wickets in a thrilling encounter at Arun Jaitley Stadium. Opting to bat first, Gujarat scored 190 runs for 7 wickets in the stipulated 20 overs. In reply, Mumbai overhauled the target in 19.5 overs. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded today was 20.8 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature was recorded at 8.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 51%, which has gone down to 36% in the evening, and forecast most likely dry weather will prevail in many areas. Before we end this news bulletin, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid foundation stone of several development projects at Azamgarh, UP. Suspected IED blast rocks Harijan colony on late Saturday night. Police launches probe into the incident. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker inspects construction of the new assembly building at New Shillong Township. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma takes active participation in My City campaign, urges public to support the initiative. And India signs trade and economic partnership agreement with the European Free Trade Association. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you today. Do tune in tomorrow, same time, same channel. Thanks for watching and good night.